Welcome to MSA TV. My name is Joe Glorioso. I'm the Sales Application Product Manager for Portable Instruments.
And my name's Greg Martin. I'm our Sensor Technology Program Manager.
The latest addition to our industry-leading ALTAIR family of gas detectors is the ALTAIR 4X. The new ALTAIR 4X is the second generation of the ALTAIR 4 personal 4-gas monitor. The new ALTAIR 4X is powered by the new MSA XCell sensor family. The ALTAIR 4X monitors for carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, oxygen, and combustible gases. Some of the standard features on the new ALTAIR 4X include data and event logging, a bump test check mark. It's a check mark that remains on the ALTAIR 4X for 24 hours after you perform a calibration bump test. The ALTAIR 4X comes standard with audible, visual, and vibrating alarms. The ALTAIR 4X is ergonomically designed for one-hand operation with 3 push buttons that are very, very easy to push. It also comes in an optional glow-in-the-dark option that can be ordered through the ALTAIR 4X ATO. The ALTAIR 4X has global approvals for North America, for Europe, and for IEC. The ALTAIR 4X can be used for personal protection, confined space entry, and many other industrial and first responder applications. The ALTAIR 4X can survive many, many durable tests. It can even survive a 20-foot drop test. The ALTAIR 4X is IP67 rated. It's completely dust tight and can be immersed in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes.
One of the most exciting features of the new ALTAIR 4X or the new XCell sensors, this is something MSA has been working on for several years now. What we did is we took our electrochemical sensors, which MSA has been making for years, and our catalytic combustible sensor, and we added microelectronics to them. These electronics are embedded into the sensors themselves. They do all of the compensation for your environmental conditions, for anything that would cause noise in the signal. It turns them into actual digital sensors, so you get a more repeatable, better response. We really focused on increasing the life of these sensors. What we did for the oxygen sensor, we went to a non-consumable chemical reaction, which means your current oxygen sensor, you're probably getting about 2 years life out of it. The new XCell oxygen sensor, you're going to get over 4 years life out of it. The combustible sensor, we went and doubled the number of detectors in the unit. So those typically die when one of your detectors slowly loses sensitivity over time. By doubling the number of detectors, we're essentially doubling the life of the sensor. We also really worked on improving the response time. The response time to 90% of the gas, or T90, has been improved to less than 15 seconds for all of the sensors. With the speed of response, the clear time, the overall improved performance, stability over temperature, pressure, humidity, you're really getting a much better product than anything you've seen before. These sensors are accurate, and you're not going to get false alarms. They're going to perform when you need them. Because of these longer life sensors and because of the durability that Joe discussed of this instrument, what we really were able to do is free of charge put in a standard 3-year warranty on this product. So where our current ALTAIR 4 has a 2-year warranty, and that's kind of the industry standard, this instrument comes with a standard 3-year warranty, and there's an option on the ATO to purchase an additional 4th year, and then you're covered for 4 years from front to bottom, including battery, sensors, everything. The other real big innovation that we've put into this product is an end of sensor life warning. This is an MSA exclusive, and what it does is it calculates, every time you do a calibration, it calculates how much of your sensor life's been used up. And what it'll do is when you're about 4 to 6 weeks away from the end of the sensor's life, it'll actually give you an indication on the screen. You'll get a little heart icon on the screen, and that tells you that the instrument's still fine to use. You still need to make sure you do your bump test, but as long as it's still passing the bump test, you can still use this product. But you have advance notice, so you have 4 to 6 weeks now to plan for that replacement sensor. So you can actually go and order your sensors, have them there, so it really limits the downtime of your instrument. So when you change that sensor out, you have another one ready to go, and you can just move on to it. Continuing with the ALTAIR 4X was a fantastic feature that was in the MSA ALTAIR 4 instrument. It's the motion alert feature, as well as the instant alert feature. What's different is it's standard, so we're including it in every ALTAIR 4X. You get the motion alert sensor for free. What the motion alert sensor is you turn it on, and it's a man down alarm. So if you have someone working and you don't have a line of sight on that person, and whether it's a gas issue or whether they trip and fall or have some other medical emergency, if they go down and they stop moving, this goes into alarm and alerts anyone else in the area that person needs help, and it really can save time in diagnosing an emergency situation. The instant alert is basically a manually activated alarm. So if someone sees someone that's in trouble or sees a problem that can get worse in a hurry, they can activate this and notify others very quickly that there is a problem and get people to the scene as quickly as possible. The other feature that I really wanted to talk about that goes along with the faster sensors is the standard calibration flow rate that MSA uses. We use a flow rate of 0.25 liters per minute versus the industry standard, which is 0.5 liters per minute. That combined with our much faster sensors, you're using less than half the gas of many of our competitors. So every day when you go and do your bump test, or when you do your calibrations once a month, once every 2 weeks, whenever you do your standard calibration, you're using less than half the gas that you used prior, and that's going to save you hundreds of dollars over the life of the instrument, maybe even in the thousands, depending on how often you bump test, how often you calibrate, and then multiply that by the number of instruments that you have. Joe?
It also has a battery life indication, and remember, this battery will last for 24 hours. The unit comes in a very dark gray or glow in the dark, and it monitors for oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and combustible gases. The ALTAIR 4X works with the existing ALTAIR 4 Galaxy and also works with the ALTAIR 4 Quick Check. The ALTAIR 4X is MSA Link compatible, just like the rest of the ALTAIR family of products. Feel free to visit our website at www.msanet.com for more information. MSA's ALTAIR 4X is really built on durability and powered by performance with the new XCell sensors. The exclusive features, leading performance, and world-class durability put the ALTAIR 4X in a class by itself. From the latest in sensing technology to instrument design and manufacturing, MSA has the capability and knowledge to support your portable gas detection challenges.
Thank you for watching MSA TV. For more information on the ALTAIR 4X, please visit us at www.msanet.com/ALTAIR4X. I'm Greg Martin, our Sensor Technology Program Manager.
And I'm Joe Glorioso, our Sales Application Product Manager. Thank you very much.